Welcome everyone to week 9. This week our learning target is that we are going to choose physical activities that are going to help keep us healthy and fit. We're going to identify 5 food groups to talk about and ways that eating a variety of food is going to help us stay healthy, along with staying physically active every day for at least 60 minutes. And so you will see in your homework on Sunday, it's not due till Sunday, but you're going to keep track every day, and hopefully you'll get 60 minutes. If you don't, that's okay. Just keep track of what you're doing and how much time it takes. Another word that we have this week is going to be energy. It is the strength and endurance that a person has for physical and mental activities. So the more healthy food that we eat, the better. And we get our energy from that food that we eat. We want to make sure we don't eat too much or eat too little. We want to eat just the right amount. And the one food that we're going to really focus on this week is fruit. It is one of our 5 food groups that includes the sweet and edible parts of trees and plants. Fruit is healthy food that gives our bodies energy, vitamins, minerals, and fiber to keep our body healthy. So with all the other stuff that we eat, without fruits, we have a hard time, and without vegetables, we have a hard time with our body being able to process and actually take in those good foods. Lastly, we're working on our health to keep us free from sickness and injury. We're working on our physical, our mental, and our social well-being. The physical activity and nutrition that we have is going to help protect our health. Anyways, have a great week, you guys, and I will see you at the next class.